Hey, now wow, I am so happy. I will let you put them obrigata. I'm so happy. Ife nji ewe awọrị bụ na ndị mmadụ amaghị ihe na-eme n'Imo State. A lot of people don't know at all what is going on in Imo State. Hope Uzodinma have turned Imo State to Afghanistan. He is using Imo State to show power, bragging. He want to be Tinubu of Igbo land, Tinubu of Imo State. Without him, you cannot do anything. You remember when before the election, general election they did in Nigeria, when P2B was going from one media platform to another, trying to show his skills in leadership and all that. We told him not to, because we know that it will turn to this nonsense that it is now. But he don't listen. Just like many other followers of obedient. And the annoying part is that those that you have some respect for, that you believe that they know what they're doing, they're part of the obedience, and after everything, you can see how shameful it is. So now, what is this just name? Hope Uzodinma. He's trying to copy Tinubu's character. Agada Bashiro's one. Okula Okarisea. That is what he wants to be. And he is ready to bribe anybody. He can do any. I don't blame him actually, because when you score fourth position after election and the owner of the zoo decided to push you to number one, they have seen his antecedent. They know that he's so corrupt, that his level of corruption and criminality is second to none. So they made the right choice for their agenda by installing that pig face in Imo State as a governor. Today, the pastor Evangelist Ebukobi that some of us have some regard for, have also joined the nonsense thing Nigerian pastors is what they are known for, which is show me money, I will give you information, I will prophesy and I will pray, I will do this, I will do that, to merchandise Christianity in the name that you are prophet or prophetess. Then when a reality information or problem comes, they will be running helter-skelter, just like we are doing. We that are not pastor, we are not prophet, and we are not a general overseer. Imagine when you pray, those pastors, Ebukobi has joined them, those that claim that they have power to do everything, but when a serious problem, practical problem comes, there will be nowhere to be found. I'm not trying to criticize his anointing or his spirituality or anything, but for a man of God, someone who is controlling that crowd that you can see that he's controlling, to come out in support of not even in support, because this is a pure campaigning for Hope Uzodinma. And according to him, what Hope Uzodinma have done is in 4 years is going to Lagos State to talk to the governor of Lagos State about Igbo traders that are shop have been were being locked in Lagos. And another thing is that he built, or he is now, not even he has built it, but he will build, that he have started doing something about the road that lead to his own compound or his father's house. Therefore, every member of his church should go and vote Uzodinma. Not until yesterday night, I watched a video, of someone saying that Ebukobi is supporting Hope Uzodinma because Ebukobi want to open his church in Imo State, and he need about 100 is it 100 acres or plus of land where he wants to use to build a permanent site for his church. Now, because of that, all the Imo State people should suffer for the next 4 years. Now, when I say suffer, I'm talking about economical issue. The economy of the state, Imo State. I don't want to go into people that the man is buying ọbara na-awụfu every day. Ọbụghị obere ọbara. Ada agụta ya agụta. Vampire awụbeghị ụdị ọbara nwoke a na-awụ n'Imo steeti. And otu o si eme ya bụ that na ọ na-emekwunye ya ndị mmadụ na-akụrị aka, ndị otu ya na-akụrị aka, which Ebuka Obi should know better. But here he has made his choice, which I believe that that video that he made, this thing that he said of that was it there yesterday or day before yesterday, that video will go a long way to drag Ebuka down. I'm not praying for his downfall, but he is the one pushing himself down. Someone like me, I subscribed from his YouTube immediately, and anything about Ebuka Obi, I have distanced myself from it. I believe that some other meaningful Igbos, Biafrans, so we do the same. Because anyone that's supporting or one day or one mother, Imo State, now we in the by. I don't think if you are a supporter of that, you are not a human being. I'm not from Imo State, but we are all Biafrans, and I am very, very upset about what is going on in Imo State. It is very, very shameful. Very, very shameful. Now, this video is Ekpa, the Prime Minister of government, Biafra government in Exile, have come out this evening to show his plan, okay, to safeguard the Imolites, and that is no election. All this kitty kata hope neme. Ugbu a ka ga-amazi ma were onye na-akwụri ụkọ n'ọhụụ ka onye na-elekere ya bụ ihe ga amara mgbe na bụ nke nwoke. I am in support of that. So let's watch. Let's see what he has to say.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans, the world, especially Biafrans in Imo State. Imo State, under the Biafra de facto government, is divided into three. We have the Okigwe State. We have the Olu State. And then we have the Owerri State. So if you find yourself within this state, within this three states of Biafra de facto, under the Biafra de facto government, I want everybody to pay attention. Nigeria can never conduct election anymore in Biafra land, and it is going to start from Imo State. We are not part of Nigeria. The de facto government has been activated, and it is a fight for survival. So if you in these three states, in Okigwe State, Biafra, in Olu State of Biafra, and in Owerri State of Biafra, get ready. We are going to embark on a very serious lockdown to make sure that Nigeria delegitimization will be taken to the next level. It is time for your liberation. Your liberation starts from Imo State. Wait for my announcement in the coming days. It is happening live. Hope Uzodinma have written result for himself. He has paid off INEC. He has paid off every other person. He has paid the judges that will give judgment in the coming days. And that is not the kind of country we want. We are going to make sure that the delegitimization of Nigeria starts from Imo State in this election. The Biafra government has taken over Imo State. So wait for me in the next coming days as I will give directive of how this delegitimization will take. I know that after this, they are still going to make the announcement because he already written a result and I'm aware of it. So, but we are going to prove to the world that no single Biafran will go out to vote in Imo State. Thank you.